Mount Kanlaon, one of the Philippines' most active volcanoes, is known for its striking beauty and the fertile land it nourishes. However, its eruptions bring significant environmental threats, particularly to water resources. This vlog delves into the impact of Mount Kanlaon's eruptions on water pollution, exploring the causes, effects, and possible solutions. How volcanic eruptions cause water pollution. Volcanic eruptions release large quantities of ash, gases, and other materials into the environment. When these materials interact with water bodies, they can cause severe contamination. The main pollutants include ashfall. Volcanic ash can cover rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, leading to both physical and chemical pollution. Lava and pyroclastic flows. These can alter river paths and introduce harmful substances into the water. Volcanic gases. Gases like sulfur dioxide, CO, and carbon dioxide, CO, dissolve in water, creating acidic compounds that lower the water's pH. Immediate effects on water quality. Mount Kanlaon's eruptions can have immediate detrimental effects on water quality. Water acidification. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water to form sulfuric acid, acidifying rivers and lakes, which can kill aquatic life and render water unsafe for drinking. Heavy metal contamination. Volcanic ash often contains heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and arsenic. These can dissolve in water, posing long-term health risks to communities relying on these water sources. Increased turbidity. Ash and particulates increase water turbidity, disrupting photosynthesis in aquatic plants and harming the ecosystem. Long-term environmental consequences. The long-term impacts of water pollution from volcanic eruptions are significant. Ecosystem disruption. Prolonged exposure to acidic and metal-contaminated water can lead to declines in fish and other aquatic populations, disrupting food chains and biodiversity. Soil and groundwater contamination. Pollutants can seep into the soil, affecting agriculture and contaminating groundwater, impacting health and food security. Public health risks. Contaminated water sources can cause gastrointestinal diseases, skin rashes, and long-term issues like cancer and neurological disorders due to heavy metal exposure. Mitigation and remediation strategies. Addressing water pollution from volcanic eruptions requires a comprehensive approach. Water quality monitoring. Implementing robust monitoring systems to detect and address changes in water quality promptly. Emergency response plans. Developing plans that include distributing clean water, temporarily relocating affected communities, and providing medical aid. Natural filtration systems. Using constructed wetlands and other natural filtration methods to reduce pollutant concentrations in water bodies. Public awareness and education. Educating communities about the risks of contaminated water and promoting safe water practices to mitigate health impacts.